Family farmers produce 70% of the world's food and at the same time, take care of the planet with their daily work. However, in many countries, family farmers lack the support needed to achieve their full potential. The International Year of Family Farming, IYFF 2014, raised awareness on the importance of this agricultural model. Improvements in public policies were achieved, benefiting men and women of the countryside and the sea. Now it is time to continue moving forward this process, supporting family farming national committees. Promoting global guidelines for family farming. Enabling the participation of family farmers organizations in agricultural research processes. Let's work together so that family farmers, smallholders, artisanal fishers, pastoralists, and indigenous communities continue contributing to the economic and social development of their countries. Let's work together so that people and individuals have access to healthy and close food. IYFF+10, Global Action for Family Farming.